Something quietly changed in the way people find businesses. They stopped Googling. They started asking. Ask ChatGPT who the best accountant in your city is. It gives you a name. Ask Perplexity which software tool to use for your problem. It recommends one. Ask Google. And now the AI answers before the links even load. This is not the future. This is happening right now. And most brands have no idea whether they are in those answers or not. Here is the uncomfortable truth. You could be ranking #1 on Google and still be completely invisible every time a potential customer asks an AI for a recommendation in your category. That is the AI visibility gap, and it is costing brands leads, clients, and market position every single day, silently, with no algorithm penalty to warn them. The discipline that closes this gap is called Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. AEO is the practice of ensuring your brand gets cited by AI platforms when people ask questions relevant to your business. When someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity a question, the model does not just pull from its training data. It searches the web in real time, looking for the freshest, most credible, most structured content it can find. It then synthesizes an answer and cites the sources it pulled from. If your brand appears in those sources, you get cited. If it does not, your competitor does. FirstPage.agency specializes in exactly this. We run AI citation audits, then we do the work to close the gap. Content restructuring, third-party citation building, multi-platform AEO strategy. If you want to see how visible your brand is on AI right now, visit firstpage.agency.